Hello everybody, my name is Rubber Scar, and welcome back to another part of Ratchet and Clank. This is part 18, and yeah. In the last episode, we entered the, the pumping station, and now I gotta clear all the amiibos from it, and ow. So yeah, let's go. Made it through this door using the trespasser, which I hate using so hard. God. Die. Anything around? Nah, nope. Oh, go back to the surface. Go, no, oh no, it's so close. Dang it. Oh, alright, good. Let's go. Anything you guys set these bombs off? Oh, it's just at the surface! Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Maybe, I guess it wasn't high enough. That was hard. This is hard. I'm just trying to do my job. Which I don't have a good job, but still. Blow that up, baby.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Get me in the... no, I need to restart now. I need to restart. No, I need to restart. Alright. Whoa, skills. Boop. And then I'm good to go with that area. Alright. There we go. Just need to get that. Go up here. Pull that down. Blow this stuff up. Go! I swear to God, Ratchet, no! Are you serious? I knew it was gonna happen. God, no! Oh, did I miss some stuff? Alright. Go back anyway. Oh, go! No! Oh, that was way too close for comfort. I thought I was gonna end up dying. Go! Oh, man. Skills. Oh, you guys want some of this? Let's go then. Goodbye. Well, at the sacrifice of all my bombs, I managed to kill them all. Take back my words. Alright. Let's go with some sniper stuff. Oh, sniper. No! Back away! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Who keeps attacking me? Oh, I'm out of ammo. Alright, boy, I don't need to be a sniper to shoot you guys. Your weakness is your stomach. They're so like little mini creepers. I don't know. Creepers? What is that from? Creepers. I feel like that's from a video game or something. Video game reference. Creepers. Can't remember. Whatever, it'll come to me someday. But I love this. This is amazing. How fast I go. Skills. What is that?
NO2 mask.
Oh, we got a thing.
Clank and I are on Pocataru. We just stopped Drek from siphoning the planet's water supply.
He went without me? I mean, that's fine. secrets, okay? It's time for us to assault Drek Industries and put an end to the Blarg's treachery.
Yay! Alright, is there like a last gold bolt somewhere here? Oh, I can breathe! Oh, heck yeah! I can do whatever I want now. I don't have to worry about going back up for air. And I have no idea where I am at all. Oh shoot. Don't want to go too far off into the ocean. If you know what I mean. What is that? Some of those fishy things. Hey, what you gonna do? Oh, not gonna do anything? Oh, okay. I guess you must not be afraid of me. Oh, I see it! I called it! I knew there was gonna be one freaking here. Skills. I think that's the last one. Or the only other one that's here. I found 2 here so far, so I think that's it. Alright, where do I go? Oh, I completed all my things, so... I mean, there's an area I haven't discovered, so we can go check that out real quick. Take what, 1-2 minutes? Oh, is that these things? Oh. That's this thing. That's this thing. And then there's this thing. I thought it was like some thing that's gonna hold a secret. It turns out just these little islands. Alright, so where's our ship? Ship's this way, isn't it? There we go. Oh, this way we go. We're all done with Poketaru. Yeah, Poketaru. Do we get any more cards? Boop. Nope. We got a duplicate card, so that's a thing. Okay, baby, let's go on our new ship.
Ready to fly, just need some coordinates.
Oh, there's a third one? I don't care. I'm not going there anymore. We did Patalia. I still gotta get one more bolt. One more bolt. One more bolt. One more bolt. Dude, most of these planets I have to get at least one more bolt. Which I have no idea where it would be, but I think this might be one of the last places.
Ready to go knock on Drek's door?
We got Quartu. And I think that Quartu just so happens to have, what is it? Oh! Oh, this is the Drek area. I feel like this is gonna be the last planet. Like, this will...
Ratchet to Rangers. I've landed in Quartu, but I ran out of...
Rex and I are heading over to the complex. We'll split up and keep radio contact. Good luck, team.
Drek Industries is up ahead. Let's move.
Alright, so as I explained before, my recording is on the PS4, and sometimes it does this stupid thing where it skips the cutscene, so you guys missed the cutscene, but all it was...
You coming? Just use your swing shot.
Alright, wait, I'm trying to explain the cutscene to the audience. Thank you very much. Anyway, so, we were all in the headquarters or something. Either that or we were on a plane, it didn't really explain. But we were all sitting around a table, and Clank and some other ranger didn't want to like burst into the door.
Just use your swing shot.
Okay, I get it! Stop talking! Anyway, but the rest of them, including Clank and, not Clank, Ratchet and whatever that guy's name is, wanted to do it. So they all voted and they won, so now they just jumped out of the ship. They rocket.
Use your swing shot.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to talk here for the third time. Anyway, so then we just rocket boosted here out of the plane, and yeah. Now which way do I go? This way? No, wait, this way. No! Whoa! Ooh. Oh, I forgot, yeah. Alright, there we go. I'm coming. Be patient. Now, I'm pretty sure this might be the last video. Either that or the next one will be the finale, because I feel like this is going to be the last episode, the last planet. Ooh. Ooh, I got enough. Let's go. Oh, this thing looks dope.
Nice one. Buzz blades are a personal favorite of mine.
You say that for everything. But what I want to do is I want to upgrade my weapons. Because I got to upgrade all my weapons. So I want to like finish something. But I don't know. Oh, right here. My Groovatron. I can finish that a little bit. Uh-huh.
Wicked. Now you're almost too powerful.
There we go. That's good enough for right now. Alright, let's try this baby out. What? Oh.
Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you.
Oh, what is this? This thing is whatever. Oh. Ha! It recoils off the thing. That, oh, okay, I don't want to waste all my stuff. Oh, I forgot I had this baby. Oh. Boom! Son! Okay, I don't want to waste all that ammo. Alright, so I think what to do is use Mr. Zircon. No, I gotta save him. Who's about to level the Groovatron? I need to use the Groovatron more because I want it to level up. Okay, is it like every time you use it, it levels up? I don't know. What's about to level up? Oh man. My grenade's literally about to level up. Either that or it's at level max.
I'll hit the switch. Wait here.
Versa bridge activated.
Try crossing now.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
Guards up ahead.
Guards? Does that mean I get to
Fire
use?
when ready. I'll cover you.
What?
Attack! Heads up! We got
I ran out of grenades. Oh, I think it's because it's level max. Alright, let's use my proton drum. And let's use my combustor. Oh, I'm about to die. 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 Oh, you wanna go, Mr. Zircon? Oh, let's go Groovatron. Here's a Groovatron. Here's a Groovatron. Dance, yep, okay. And then take some proton drums. One. Here's two for you, okay? And then you're gonna get some pixelizer, like that. Just to make sure that all of you die, okay? And then after that, we're gonna make sure we get another Groovatron up in here. No! I had it! They should have been dancing. I was blowing them up with the proton drum.
ready. I'll cover you.
Alright. We going in guns blazing. We going in? You know what? I'm going in with my trusty Mr. Zircon and my trusty combustor. Nope, just the combustor. Let's go. Boop, boop, boop. Dead. One.
Heads up! We got some flyers!
God dang it. Mr. Zircon. Go back to my other tactic. Use a Groovatron. Here, guys. Here's a dancing thing for you. Here, dance. Throw another one. All right. Take some proton drums. No, take some proton drums. Boop. One. Boop. Two. Boop. Three. Okay. And then we're gonna take some fusion grenades. Boop. 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 I'm out. I'm out. Okay, go back to Grouptron. Grouptron! Grouptron! No! Get out of there! Get out of there! Go! Dance! 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 Alright, alright. Proton drum! Oh! No! Oh, oh! I saw it coming from the side.
Fire when ready. I'll cover you.
This time, I'm going for a stealthy approach.
That Lombax or his robot pals show up, ice him.
Attack!
Oh, there we go.
Heads up! We got some flyers!
I'm trying to like be stealthy. Oh, I'm out of ammo. What? All right. You went the stealthy approach. Dead. Dead. Not dead. Not dead. Not dead. Mr. Zircon, how about you get up in here? Hey, you guys want to do Grouptron? Here you go. Here, have a dance party.
Last one!
Hello, sneaky aliens.
Last one where? I killed them all.
Mr. Zircon will punch you in the face.
What?
With bullets.
I see.
Not bad for a rookie.
I know, right? I did it. Wait, for a rookie, what are you talking about? You were the one who told me to do it, and
Place
you were
looks
covering
pretty
me.
secure.
You were just
Any
scared.
ideas on a point of entry?
Scared cat?
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the air purification vents to escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
Good thinking, Clank.
All right, so that
Mr.
means you should.
Zircon is bored.
All right, where are we supposed to go? This way. Nope, this way. Yep.
Look, over there.
Oh, I see it.
Be careful in there, Clank.
Oh, it's just Clank. All right.
Come in, Rangers. I am inside Drek Industries ventilation system.
Good work, Cadet. I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large muscles.
There's a security terminal just north of your position. Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
Let's go. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like playing as Clank because I don't know. It's weird. Clank's kind of cool, but I don't like his powers and stuff.
Here we are. Metatron career opportunities page. Please state your current position. Assistant to evil villain. List relevant
All right,
skills.
man, calm down.
Filing, answering calls, assisting in planetary destruction. And it's the defect. What are you doing back here?
There must be a way through this room.
I forgot what all these things do. I forgot what all these things do. What does this thing do again? Oh. What? What do you do? I need the bridge thing, but I do not know what you do. Oh.
I must reprogram the gadget.
I get it. I have to change it into what I need it to be, which is a bridge bot.
Into the facility.
I understand. Alright, and then I throw you right there.
All warbots.
And then I
in your
put
system
you
settings
like...
has been discovered. You should never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see your nearest engineer for a software
I have to
upgrade.
redo you too.
Engineers, mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
Oh, no! There, you're not needed right now. Okay. And then right, I need you. Okay. Alright, now that I got the bridge bot, I need a spring bot! God dang it. I need a spring bot! Spring bot! Let's go! Let's go. I gotta reprogram you into a spring bot. Spring bot! Oh, can I just reprogram you anywhere? Alright. Springbot! Springbot! Whoop! I have no idea what I need you for, so. Goodbye! Oh, I know what I got you. I got you for some reason.
All warbots.
Oh, I know what I got you for. Powerbot.
4 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations.
You realize I could have just took you guys and the bridge bot? Oh no, because I still need the bridge bot to get over to that bed. Don't know. So then I go to power bot. I throw you like that. Bam.
Supposed to be in here? You'd better leave before Chairman Drek finds you.
God dang it. God, no! No, I just had, okay, there we go. Okay, give me the other bomb. Grab it. Okay. And we're gonna cross this bridge. No, don't fall in. Boop! Booski!
Turn back now, Defect. I'm warning you. Special
What? Oh. Hello.
That didn't work at all.
Ha, you thought. Oh, that didn't work at all. Look how stupid you look. Oh, he's gone. Am I gonna end up finding that one guy?
Oh, I just finished striking those.
I'm sorry, but that's what you get. You're trying to kill me. Why would I care about if you stack some stuff? You know? If you thought about it, like, real hard. Huh. Oh. There you go, Powerbot.
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
Does it?
Think your way out of this one.
Oh, you're trying to give me puzzles.
Now,
Very smart. You're so smart, you know, I'd never be as smart as you.
I am almost there, but I have run into an obstacle. Drek's assistant said is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Understood. Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
I know what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to probably like go back and get some of the ones I already had. Aren't I? I am, aren't I? I knew it! Knew it! I knew it! I knew it. Okay. You stay there. Get those other two I can go get. Okay, and I know I need a brick. Oh, actually, I could just go get most of them, if not all of them.
Attention, all warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you
Oh.
for your hard work.
All right.
Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon.
Oh, I can't. All right, so I can't bring the Gadgetbot.
A friendly reminder that there is a mandatory meeting for all warbots from 1 to 1:30 on Deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
Oh, that's happy thoughts. I have no idea what to do. Actually, all right, you have to be there. I'm stumped on this one, guys. I'm positively stumped. Okay, just dealt with you. No. Oh! Oh, I get it. I know what to do. I know what to do. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. All right. I know what to do. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's just get this. You know what?
Sorry, Gadgetbot.
All right, well, I know what to do,
That looks
but
dangerous.
we're out of time. So you know what? We're gonna complete this puzzle in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you guys later. Bye bye.
I am almost there, but I have run into an